Hey guys, so I know I've been gone. Like what? Who does that? Who starts and then stops? Like who does that? Well, I was sick. So I'm back though, I'm back. And guys, I'm back with a DIY hair tutorial. I'm starting with this hairstyle. So this hairstyle is a week old. I actually was just scrolling Instagram, and I came across a 1-minute hair tutorial, and I was like, I could do that. This style cost me like $30. It's been up a week and it's super cute. So if you want to see how I got this style, then stick with me, girl. It's gonna be longer than a minute, more like 15, but I got you.
All right, hey peeps, so I'm back and this is my blown out hair. So you guys remember the first video that I ever put out? It showed my hair like super short, and it's grown quite a bit. Like if I pull, and this is just blow dry, but if I pull it down, it's like here and it was like up here. So it's growing everywhere, and this was shaved off and it's out. So I'm getting ready to attempt and have up half down style. So I'm pretty excited, and I'm excited that you guys are gonna join me. So I'm gonna braid the back part. Now, I am not a braid. Guys, I'm sorry. I completely forgot to go over what we'll need today. So, this is my favorite edge control. It is the Edge Booster. I don't really care what scent, but I did like the Acacia scent. So, it's just up to you. But we got some edge control. I got a little mini brush. Just in case my edges are like a little bit sparse, I did get the Edge Booster in natural black. Some bobby pin. Of course, we need a latch. And then, so the young lady that I saw do this look with the longer hair, she used Janet Collection, but at my local beauty supply they didn't even have that option. So I am using the Kankalon Premium Fiber Blended Jumbo Twist Braid, African Nature Braid Collection. Yeah, that's who it's by, the African Nature Braid Collection. Oh, that sun though, it's just doing the most. Okay, I'm trying, y'all. I'll make sure to put it down in the description. But this is what it looks like. There we go. At least you can see it a little bit. This is what it looks like. And it's 24 inches. Now, I'm going to cut it because... Okay. But this is what it is in singlies. And we're going to split them. So, we're going to get started. I just wanted to... And I got 2 packs of this. So, that is what I have. All right, let's get started. Janky at its finest. But look, you're just trying to get some braids. You just need a base so you can crochet your hair. So it doesn't have to be perfect, obviously, but you know, just give it a go. Just give it a go. So you see, they're not pretty, but they'll do. Okay, they'll do. All right, let's keep moving.
Bye.